Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to mask an image with shape in Photoshop. Let's begin. I have a image and shape. I already removed the background from image. Okay. Then select the middle point, press Ctrl T, increase the size of image. Place hold Ctrl middle. Sorry. Okay. Then click the shape layer. Hold Ctrl, click shape layer middle, then select it, click the image layer, then create clipping mask. Okay, click the black and select white color, brush tool, right click, increase the size, bracket, use bracket, then click and drag it. Use stroke, click apex, stroke color, increase the stroke size, click OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.